Alright guys, I just got done installing these mirrors on my Kubota B series. I have them mounted to the loader arms, and these are $10 mirrors off of Amazon. They're supposedly for golf carts, but they're really nice, big. All you need is some self-tapping screws. 1-inchers work great. They're about perfect length. I use number 10 diameter. But let's see. They're super easily adjustable. They're basically, there's a spring underneath and a bolt, and there's a ball joint. And it sits at a ball joint, so you could totally move them however you want and make them as tight as you want. They'll go fold way in where I have them mounted now, and then they'll also fold the other way very far. But super adjustable, real easy to adjust. Don't have to get off or nothing, and you could, change the tension on them. So the reason I put these on is I have the rear mounted snowblower, and it really sucks to snowblow in reverse. I tried a backup camera, and then I had that mounted on here. It worked okay until I took out the wires while brush hogging. The main problem was it was so far away, it's such a small screen, it was really hard to see. I think mirrors are going to be a lot better. They're as big as a screen, but I don't know. It just seems better. Maybe because I'm used to mirrors, or maybe they have some magnification. I don't know about that. They might, because some mirrors do. I don't remember seeing that, but I'll have a link in the description to these. Again, these are $10 delivered from Amazon. Yeah, so I kind of have them. Well, I had them how I wanted them. Now I got to adjust them again since I futzed with that one, but it's super easy. Let me show you. Well, this is the ones I bought. They're under a bunch of different brands, but they're all the same thing, I'm sure. Golf cart side mirrors, blah blah blah, 180 adjustment. And you kind of, actually a pretty nice box, really. They don't really show the adjustment too much on here, but let's okay, so here they are mounted on the side, and this is a LA304 loader on a b2320. It shouldn't matter, any loader thing should work fine. I don't know if you can see in there. You can see they stick out a little bit, but the loader should not hit it. It's plenty of clearance. The loader would never go back that far to hit, and I don't think you'll be able to see the lower one. You can kind of barely see it. It's down in there. But anyhow, so just 2 self-tapping screws, and then here's the adjustment I told you about. It's 1 bolt nut on a bolt. It's got some blue Loctite on it, and then a washer, and then above that is a spring, which I don't think you'll be able to see even if I lighten it up here. Let's see here. Maybe just barely. So yeah, and this one came really loose, so I already tightened it a little bit. And then your adjustment, you have that way, down, and then all the way up. Bird over here talking to me. So there's a ton of adjustment. These should work for all kinds of things, not just tractors. Heck, if you had a car missing, I'm gonna almost put these on them. They're $10. Who cares? If you got a junk car, roadkill it with some of these. Yeah, they're nice actually. I had bought some $40 ones, and then I saw these and I returned the $40 ones because these were actually nicer. Because these ones are so adjustable. So yeah, that's it. I'll have a link in the description for these. Hopefully the price don't go up too much. I don't think so. There's tons of different places selling them, so yeah.